Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Firstly guys, I would love to greet you guys a Happy New Year and a prosperous 2025. Thank you for taking your time for this day to celebrate your New Year with me. Really appreciate it, and thank you so much for making my 2024 a very eventful one. Love you all. So for today guys, what we're going to discuss is everything Murakami. So today is January 1st, and by the time this goes live, Murakami collection has gone live in stores at Louis Vuitton and at louisvuitton.com. So if you are very lucky, then you have already pre-ordered the bag that you are desiring from the collection, then I'm so happy for you. But if, for example, you are like me who is still undecided on what bag or SLG you wanted to take from the Murakami collection, then you are in luck, because that's what we are going to discuss for today. I'm going to share to you my top 5 bag styles that you need to take note of, perhaps purchase from the Murakami Drop 1 collection. So if you want to find out everything all about my recommendation, I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like, share, and comment on this video and help me reach 5,000 subs this year. Also, follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so hopefully no one would get offended with my top 5 recommendation. So just as long as you love the bag or SLG that you purchased from the Murakami collection, then more power to you. I'm very happy for you. So this is my personal recommendation, and I am also basing this one on the previous trend from the vintage Murakami Drop, and that is why I am recommending this piece. So let us begin. So the very first bag style that I would want to share, so we are going to start definitely first with the Louis Vuitton classics, and that would be with the Speedy family. So with the Speedy family, so from the vintage pieces, I am seeing that is still commanding a very good price on the pre-love market would be the Speedy family. So one in particular would be the Nano Speedy. So with the Drop 1 Murakami launch for 2025, these are the bags that I particularly love from the Speedy family. So of course we have the Nano Speedy from the multicolor edition. So this is the price of this one is 2,270 USD, and the colorway of this one, I love this. My personal taste, it would be the color noir. Of course, since this is black, so it has no vachetta, so definitely you could use this one for every day, very carefree. The only downfall of this one, because this is the smaller Nano Speedy, so you have just to be very mindful of the things that you bring. But I am predicting that the Nano Speedy would be such a huge hit. Even 20 years from now, it would still command a good price on the pre-love market. Of course, the counterpart of the noir version, this one I feel most of the girlies out there would love the Nano Speedy in the white colorway, still in multicolor. So of course, the white colorway, this is very classic Murakami. Then of course, it would come with the untreated vachetta leather. So if you are unafraid of the vachetta leather, then definitely you need to take this home. I love, of course, the Clochette, so it comes with the ribbon detail, and since this is a newer Nano Speedy, strap is fully detachable. Next on the Speedy family would be the multicolor Speedy 25. So this one priced at 3,200 USD. So the Speedy 25, so this is a bandolier version, so that is great. So as you can see, this is like an exact revival of the Speedy 20 from the 20 years ago. So color white, everything. So I love the gold hardware on the sides of the bag. So the only downfall for me, because I'm not a huge fan of the vachetta leather, so the vachetta of this one is untreated. So as you can see, it's a little bit stark white. But good thing about this one, of course, is that the strap It comes with a strap, so you could carry this as a shoulder bag and you could carry this as a crossbody. And also, I would like to make mention the newer thing that Louis Vuitton has been doing for the white-collared, multicolor Murakamis. They have not done the lining in red. That is their mistake 20 years ago, because these pieces, the white ones, the interior would bleed out. So that's why if, for example, you are searching for a pre-love one, we are going to see sometimes the bleeding of the red on the white canvas, so that is not good. So this one, they have made it into a lighter interior. So aside from the Speedy 25, of course, there's the Speedy 30. So this one, the Speedy 30, comes only in the noir colorway. So please take note. So if you're going to purchase the multicolor Murakami, so if it's in white, the hardware would be gold. Then if you're going to purchase in noir or black, the hardware would be silver. So the only difference of the Speedy 30 from the 25 is the size. So from 25 centimeters to 30 centimeters. So for me personally, because I love black and I love my bag to be carefree, then definitely I'm going to choose the noir color, because of course I would not be afraid of the vachetta. So this one doesn't have any vachetta. And of course black, so there won't be any color transfers. Then, of course, if you are a fan of the classic monogram, it would come in the Speedy 20. So this is another edition of the Murakami. So this is a super flat. So the super flat, it means there is a design on top of the classic monogram canvas. So this is just the basic design of the Speedy 20. So as you can see here, classic monogram canvas with untreated vachetta leather trims. It would come with detachable shoulder strap, so you could wear this one as a shoulder strap and as a crossbody. Then of course the design is very cute. I love the Murakami flower and I love the size of Speedy 20. I don't have this style yet on my collection. Alright, style number 2 and my personal favorite, of course, the classic Louis Vuitton Alma. So for the Louis Vuitton Alma, what I'm seeing here, so I'm not sure on the website, but what I'm seeing on the pre-release, we have 3 styles of the Alma. So the very first one is from the super flat collection, Alma BB, launching in January. So this one priced at 2,710 USD. It would come in color noir, so and color blue. So both are the same price. And what I am loving about this Murakami Alma BB, as you can see, it is so chic, it is so classic. So let me just get my Alma PM. So I'm guessing the Alma BB definitely would look like this. So can you still see me? So it would be a smaller version, a BB version, but it would look like this with gold hardware. And what I am loving, so with the vintage Alma PM or the classic Alma PM or Alma BB, it would have just this LV embossing over here. So this one with the Murakami edition, what I'm loving this one and why I'm saying it's very chic, because it doesn't have, or it's not screaming Murakami, but look at the LV logo. So that one, I feel it kind of looks like an artwork to me. And of course, I love the freebie, the bag charm freebie that it comes with. So the panda, the Murakami panda, is super cute. And it is fully detachable. How cute is this one? So it means that if you don't want this bag charm for this one, so you could remove it, and then maybe if you have other bags that you want to spruce it up that would look like a Murakami bag, then just add this bag charm. I'm pretty sure this bag charm can be purchased separately. So love this one, the Alma BB in the epi leather. Of course, epi leather, as you know, I'm such a super fan. It is an almost indestructible material, so very hard wearing, so you could wear this one anywhere you go, from day to evening kind of bag. So if you are not a fan of the noir colorway, so this epi leather Alma BB would come in the very beautiful like baby or powder blue colorway. So same design, so it doesn't have the Louis Vuitton monogram logo, but it has the LV logo in front with the Murakami flower and hands, and it would come with the detachable Murakami panda bag charm, which is so cute. So either or of those two, I really do recommend for you. And the price, guys, you cannot beat the price, only at 2,710 USD. Next on the Alma style, so this is the only one that would be coming out. So from the multicolor collection, so the multicolor in white, Alma BB, and price of this one, so surprisingly, it is higher than the epi leather. Price of this one is 2,830 USD. So please take note, the epi leather version is just 2,710 and this one is 2,830. So I'm pretty sure that this would go, you know, very far in the future. Like for example, you want to sell this in the future, and many would want this Alma BB just as long as you take good care of this one, especially the vachetta. So as you can see, there are a lot of vachetta. The base of the bag entirety is vachetta. So I'm pretty sure the underneath of the base is also made of vachetta. Top handle, bag charm, and I'm sure the detachable leather strap would still be the untreated vachetta. But I'm sure everyone would be loving this style. That is why it's a little bit expensive. So it's classic. For me, I have my Alma BB. So this one, I love my Alma BB. You know, it's very classic. It's very spacious at the same time. Could transform. This size of Alma can transform from a day to evening bag. So you could wear this on a day. Then of course, remove the strap and carry it as a top handle, and you could wear it as an evening bag. Alright, so the next classic Louis Vuitton style that I would love to share to you would be my top 3 would be the Neverfull MM. Yes, so Neverfull, everyone is saying that, oh, it's such a basic bag. Everyone has a Neverfull, but guys, Neverfull, you know, it's still an icon in my opinion and would never go out of style. And I have watched tons and tons of bag collection. Even the ones who have, like, for example, the very expensive bags from Chanel, from Dior, from Hermes, but they would still go back to LV. They're saying that one of their most used bag because it is really very useful bag. So that's why I'm recommending the Neverfull MM. So the first one from the super flat collection, the price of this one is 2,960 USD. Very classic, so classic monogram canvas with vachetta leather trims. So as you can see here, it would come with the Murakami flowers, which is so fun and very festive. And what's good about this Neverfull MM, so the interior is pink. So at least this one, you're not going to be afraid that this would bleed out because this is a classic monogram canvas in brown, not in white. And of course, it would come with the detachable pochette. So the pochette I really do love. So as you're going to see the outside part of the Neverfull BB, it's the Murakami flower, and the design on the pochette would be the Murakami hands. But this one, guys, for me, in my opinion, I love this more. It would be from the, again, super flat, but this time in the front leather material. Price of this one is 3,950 USD. So it is 1,000 USD more expensive, but than the monogram canvas. So if you want an understated kind of bag, wherein, of course, it has the Louis Vuitton logo embossed, but since it is black on black, if you're not familiar, then you're not really sure, or you would not really know what this bag is. So the black leather, and of course the very festive Murakami flowers. I love that contrast on the design. So of course this one, I'm pretty sure it would come with the mini pochette that you could use, and it has the LV or the Louis Vuitton Murakami hand design detail as well. Alright, so the next bag style that I'm going to share to you, my top 4, I feel this is going to be very controversial and I may get negative hits, negative comments about this one. You may be thinking that I would be recommending the Pochette accessoire, the big one. Unfortunately, I would not. And the reason for this, because I would be recommending the multicolor Poche Toilette MM. Price is only 1,280 USD. So don't hate me, guys, yet. Don't turn off the video. The reason why I am recommending this one is because this is a good starter bag from Louis Vuitton. So as you can see, the price is only 1,280 USD. So this is like the classic Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch 26. They are of the same size. And the reason why I am highly recommending this versus the Pochette accessoire is because if you are, you know, not iffy to convert this bag just like myself, I'm going to put a video here on how I wear this one very recently, and it made me fall in love even more with my toiletry pouch 26 because it looks very chic, it looks very, you know, expensive. So the way I did that was I just put an insert and I wore this one as a shoulder bag, and it looks really expensive, guys. So that's how I'm going to wear this one, and that's how I'm also going to recommend to you, if you're going to purchase this one, just purchase an insert from Amazon, from Shopee, then attach a very beautiful chain strap. Then this, guys, it would defeat the Pochette accessoire, which is a lot more expensive. Plus, this one is a good starter bag from LV. So highly recommend. This one is the multicolor. Love the black. Very classic, very stylish, and of course, black, no color transfer, and then you could use this one anywhere you go. So if you are not a fan of the noir, it would come, of course, in the classic monogram version. So we have from the super flat collection Murakami, the Pochette Toilette. So this is the trio Poche Toilette, and the price of this one is 2,280 USD. It is $1,000 expensive than the Poche Toilette we discussed earlier, but this time you're getting 3 bags in one. So I believe you could also purchase conversion kit for each sizes. So we have the size 26, we have the size the middle part, I think it's 18 or 20 centimeters, and then of course we have the 15. So 15, you could use this as a catch-all, but actually you could also use this one as an evening bag, the 15. So attach a very beautiful chain and use her as a handbag would be very, very cute. That is why, guys, for me, I really do love my toiletry pouch 26. It is such a no-brainer. That is why this is on my top choice, and if I would be given a chance, actually I'm leaning towards either the Poche Toilette or the Nano Speedy. Alright, top 5, last but not the least, the top 5 Louis Vuitton style that I would be recommending to you would be any trunk bag style from the Murakami collection. Yes, so as we know, Louis Vuitton is a trunk maker when they started, so it is very fitting if you have the funds, if you have the extra money to purchase any trunks from the collection, then go for it, because I feel if you're going to take good care of it along the line, you would be able still to get good price on the pre-love market. So the very first one that I would love to share on the trunk family from the super flat Murakami collection, we have the Petite Malle. Price of this one is 6,750 USD. So this one, classic monogram canvas. I'm just wishing that the vachetta leather trims, they have changed it to the classic black from the classic Petite Malle. I feel it would be more beautiful, but then again, since this is from the trunk family, this is still a good purchase. So aside from this one would be the mini square trunk. So this is so gorgeous, super cute. So price of this one is 10,500 USD. It has more of the trunk detail, so this is very boxy. It has a top handle. But of course, we just have to be careful with the vachetta leather trims. So I'm seeing this bag from the 20 years ago, the very first release. And whenever I see this one, I think I'm seeing Jamie Chua from Singapore. She has this style. And guys, it looks very expensive and very beautiful. So if you could purchase this one and then maintain the beauty and you take good care of this one, then definitely it would still fetch a very good price on the pre-love market after 20 years during this launch. And last but not the least, from the trunk family, we have of course the Petite Valise. So this one is 12,000 euro. Body of the trunk, as you can see, the corner, it doesn't have vachetta, but it would only have the vachetta top handle, the vachetta leather strap, and of course the bag tag. So this one, the difference of this one, so this is, unfortunately, this is for VIA trunk owners only. So if you're an owner of a trunk, then you could purchase this style, because this one, each piece is hand painted and numbered. So how luxurious this Petite Valise is, right? There, so what do you think, guys, of the top 5 styles from the Murakami collection drop 1 that I have recommended for you? Guys, let's start a conversation. Do you think I was able to recommend good top 5 recommendation? If you have other recommendation from this, kindly comment down below. Please do let us know why you love these bags or SLGs and provide us the reason so we could have a discussion, a healthy discussion among our growing, loving family. If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a color flower emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subs this year. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Romerofy2 for daily updates and silent tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I will see everyone soon. Happy New Year and happy 2025 to everyone.